why your face serious like this? Wetin dey your mind?
Small boy, calm down first. I dey think 5 steps ahead.
Hope say Ongo no dey inside that 5 steps.
Oh my God.
Which one be your own now? When last I score own goal?
I just say make I confirm na. Since you no need additional help to score goal.
So you look me finish, think say I go score own goal.
Ha! Na today you start to dey surprise person.
Wetin that one come mean now?
Abeg o, I no wan problem.
To win City, you gats dey think 5 steps ahead. I dey try figure out the kind pass wey De Bruyne go give Haaland. You dey discourage me.
You wan predict pass when match never start? No be juju be that.
Maguire, continue dey call us.
Make una lis ten very carefully. 2 of una go start the match. If Chelsea fit draw City for Etihad, anything is possible.
We fit even win them.
Shut up! Casemiro,
Sir?
sure you don man mark Messi before.
Yes, sir. But the guy use me do highlight.
De Bruyne no go use you do highlights. All you need to do na to block invasion.
Sir, this kind instruction get as e be o. How I wan take block in vision?
My work na to tell you wetin to do. How you go take do am no concern me.
Oh my God.
Give am garri make him drink.
Shey you don dey mad me?
Maguire,
Sir?
you be big man and you strong. The way De Bruyne take assist Haaland for that their FA Cup match, I no wan see that kind thing. Pocket Haaland, you and Casemiro need to cooperate to destroy that their partnership.
But Koji, everybody dey expect this counter strategy. If we focus more on Doku and Silva, we go stop them.
I say make you hold Haaland. Leave those ones.
Koji, based on my forward thinking, Haaland dey useless without in supplies. If we stop attacks from the side, no go for them.
I dey give you instruction. You dey lecture me on strategy.
Koji, I don already think 5 steps ahead. I sabi their plan.
Shey something dey do you for head.
Wetin be your problem now? Yeah, Jesus!
Shey you dey think 5 steps ahead. You for don predict my next 5 steps na.
But Koji!
Come on, shut up your mouth. In short, come on for here. Make Haaland score 1 goal first. Me and you go enter 1 trouser. Hello?
Hello, how far now?
Omo, I need your help urgently oh.
Wetin be that?
You know say as I no get job now, money gas dey come in one way or the other.
How I wan take help you now?
You see ba, I dey target this Man City Man U match. E dey do me like say I fit cash out from am.
Cash out now? Who the hell you?
I don already make my own prediction so, but I wan confirm whether you dey with me. Who go first collect yellow card and who go win the match?
Which kind of question be this one? You don see me transport go future before?
Just talk the first thing wey enter your mind, Joe.
Man U go collect the first yellow card. Man City go win the match.
Who go collect the yellow card?
It's like something dey worry you for head.
Just talk nah. I need money bad.
If them chop that small wey you get, no give me wahala o. Last year wahala don do me.
Talk.
Casemiro go collect first.
Make this thing no enter first. Me and you go get problem.
Mumu man.
Na today, I know you now. Nothing fit settle me and you. Useless man.